Hi, hello, good morning everyone. Myself Mokshith.
Myself Girjesh.
We are from 4th class. Today we are going to explain about respiratory system. We know that the food we eat is converted into smaller particles called nutrients in digestive system. Those nutrients are transported to the different parts of our body. To the circulatory system, the circulatory system transports nutrients to all the parts of our body to perform different activities. But how does our body get energy from those nutrients? No problem. To get energy from nutrients, our body also needs oxygen. Where does oxygen comes from? Oxygen comes from the air we breathe. Our body also has an organ system that takes inhale. It belongs to the circulatory system. The circulatory system transports oxygen to the different parts of our body. Parts of respiratory system. Nose. It is an organ through which we take inhale. Nose. It is an organ through which we take inhale. It has two nostrils and a cavity called nasal cavity. Pharynx. It is a tube that connects nose to the trachea. Trachea. Say trachea or windpipe. It is a tube that air passes to the lungs. Bronchi. Bronchi. Say bronchi. The trachea divides into two tubes called bronchi. Similar bronchus that enters each lungs. Lungs. Lungs, they are the main respiratory organ located at the both sides of our chest. They are pink in color. They have lot of blood vessels. They are sponge because spaces filled with the air in them. Diaphragm. Say diaphragm. It is a large flat muscle. It gives support to the lungs. Now my friend will explain about working of respiratory system.
We know that the respiration begins with breathing. The process of taking in air through our nose is called inhalation. The process of giving out air through our nose is called exhalation. One inhalation and one exhalation make up one breath. Let us look at what happens when we inhale and exhale air. During inhalation, the diaphragm moves downward, the space in the chest cavity increases. Air rushes into the lung. During exhalation, the diaphragm moves upwards to original position. The space in the chest cavity decreases. Air rushes out of the lungs. You can answer my question?
Yes.
What happens to the air in our body once it is inhaled? Once again, what happens to the air in our body once it is inhaled?
The lungs filled with the air.
Excellent. Nose. These are nose. We breathe in air through our nose. The nose has two nostrils that have air that trap dust particles. The nostrils lead to the nasal cavity, which air passes into the pharynx. The nasal cavity has leaves that moisturize the air we breathe. Next, pharynx. This is pharynx. Air passes through the pharynx to the trachea. Next, trachea. This is trachea. Air passes through the trachea, which divides into bronchi to reach the lungs. Next, lungs. These are lungs. Air fills the lungs. The external gases takes place here. Oxygen in the air enters the blood. Carbon dioxide is removed from the blood. Oxygen is carried by the blood to different parts of the body, where it combines with nutrients to give us energy. Carbon dioxide is formed as a waste product. It is sent back to the lungs and released from the exhaled air. Next, diaphragm. This is diaphragm. When we breathe in, the diaphragm moves downwards, allowing air to fill the lungs. When we breathe out, the diaphragm returns to its original position. Hope you all understood about respiratory system.
Thank you.